All right, if you know me, you know that I love orange juice, but I really love freshly squozen orange juice. Now this little orange juicer, I'm gonna call it an orange juicer, but you can really do lemons and limes with it. It's gonna produce 90% of the juice. And that's something that I was really looking for, because I hate when you got those hand juicers and you're like, okay, did I really get all of it? Or did I only squeeze a couple oranges and you only get like this much of juice? But this little juicer right here is what I would say like a commercial grade in a tiny little kitchen. I am certainly going to put this to the test, and looking at it doesn't disappoint. The quality is really awesome. You got some quality still here, plus you got your juicer. I mean, you cut some oranges up. We're going to test this out. Like I said, really simplistic. You just cut a half an orange, put it on here. You got your pulp separator, and then you got your juicer or your squeezer. And oh, you got an ejection button to inject the squeezer so that you can wash this up really good. It does look pretty easy to wash. This juicer looks like it's ready to be juiced. It looks like it's gonna give us that pulp-free action. You can take this off, you can take this out, you can take this out, and it looks to be really, really simple to clean. I'm gonna put that to test as well, but that's another thing that I look for. How easy is it not only to juice, but to clean as well? All right, here we go. We're gonna cut one orange right in the half, and we're gonna see how much juice we get from one orange. Now, these are just your grocery store navel oranges. Put that right there. Oh, look at that. You just push it down and it, oh, okay. And then we're gonna use this now. We're gonna press it. I mean, I'm not applying hardly any pressure at all, and it is going. That's pretty cool. I mean, you can see it's starting to build up right there. I really want to see how much a half an orange is going to produce. Because normally when I get a juicer, it just does like a little tiny bit of an orange. All right, that half is done. We're going to see how much a half of an orange actually fills up. I mean, you can see that looks pretty good. It says it's going to give you about 90% of the juice. That actually is really good. For a half an orange, that's really good. Okay, the other half. And you got it.
Wow, it cleans it out.
It cleaned the whole orange.
Let's do another one.
Okay, that's good. Did we get that one cleaned out too? Yep. And the last one. And so this is 2 oranges right here. 2 oranges.
Let's see how long it takes. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's good. That's cleaned out.
It does it pretty fast.
It does it really fast.
Now ready?
Yep. See how much juice we get. Oh, look at that fill up.
Ooh.
2 orange, and it's still going. Now these cups are very oversized. My wife likes this for her hot drinks. So let me see real quick. I'm gonna get 1 cup here, and we're gonna pour this in and see. I'm gonna measure this real quick. Okay.
That's about a cup.
Yep, that's about a cup. So 2 oranges gives us about a cup. Now that's gonna be dependent on the type of oranges, but if you just did navel oranges, that's pretty good. I've had juicers where I've had to juice and juice and juice just to get not even a cup. I mean, look at that. You're getting all of the juice from this orange, every last drop. It's collecting all the pulp up here, so that's really good. And the best part to this orange juice right here, oh, that's smooth. It's really smooth. Oh, that's really good. I'm gonna let my daughter have some and I'm gonna see what she thinks.
Whoa, it's like orange juice, orange juice.
It's like orange juice, orange juice. What do you notice right out of the gate?
It tastes like oranges.
Yeah, it's smooth, but the thing I noticed right out of the gate is
There's
not
much pulp.
Not much pulp, and it's not very acidic. Like if you bought orange juice at the store, it's more acidic. This is definitely low.
It'd be good to make lemonade and too.
Oh yeah, that would be really good for lemonade. Lemonade, limeade. All right, I'm completely satisfied. This little gadget's gonna live on our counter. I buy oranges all the time, and if you're like me and you wanna make some really good orange juice lemonade for the summertime, then this might be the next staple in your kitchen.